In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in Outlook. If you've ever needed to send the same email to many people without exposing everyone's addresses, this quick method in Outlook on the web will save you time and keep your messages personal and professional. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted, sign in as you normally do, so you land on your inbox. Next, click New Mail to open a fresh message. Write your subject line and draft your email just like you would for a single recipient. Keep it clear and concise, and avoid using language that might trigger spam filters. If you plan to include attachments, add them now. They'll be sent to each recipient individually. Before you send, look to the Send button in the Compose window. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Start Mail Merge. This enables a special sending mode designed for one-to-many emails while preserving privacy. With Mail Merge active, add multiple recipients in the To field. You can paste a list or type addresses, separating them with commas. Take a moment to remove duplicates and ensure each email is spelled correctly. A quick check here prevents bounces later. If you're working with a large list, consider sending in smaller batches to reduce the chance of your message being flagged. Here's what makes this powerful. Each recipient will receive their own copy of the email, and no one will see who else was included. It looks and feels like a direct message from you, which often improves open rates and engagement compared to a regular mass email. When everything looks good, subject, body, attachments, and recipients, click Send Mail Merge. Outlook will handle the rest, distributing individual copies behind the scenes. If you need confirmation, check your Sent folder afterwards to see each message listed separately. A few quick tips to wrap up. Keep your message personal and relevant. Even without custom fields, a friendly tone goes a long way. Make sure your From address is recognizable, and consider testing by sending to yourself first. And if you later need advanced personalization like first names or custom fields, explore Word's mail merge tools or a dedicated email service. That's it. You've just learned how to mail merge in Outlook, quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.